how to buy Disney Plus Plus token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, check Derek's account and keep following their update about this token. And don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 323 members there. So this token is available on the screen. It created 11 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 2 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine for that. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is also now click on it and click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on pricing. Now click on provider. Now select distributor, click on apply and go back, and after that you will be able to see here. So click on it and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Disney Plus Plus token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.